Oh, ikaw ba si God? Ikaw ba si God para dun?
Tingnan ko yung seeds.
Where? Di ka nga marunong magtanim eh. Happy.
That's akin yun eh. Sa'yo akin yun.
No, hindi sa'yo yan. I'm literally trapped.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
5 minutes later. It's not yours.
It's mine.
1 hour late. It's been an hour. You still keep
mine.
it. It's not yours. Stop crying there, man.
Mine.
No.
Mine.
You're never going to Canada. If you keep...
Mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
Wait, guys, we need a plan to...
It's mine.
Hey, thank you. It's not yours.
It's mine.
Guys, we need a plan.
It's mine.
First do this.
It's mine.
When that kid guy is doing...
Mine. It's mine.
I'm going to distract you. It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine. It's not yours.
It's mine. Come on, it's mine. Come back here. It's
Why not I escape?
It's mine. It's mine.
We're
I
trapped.
can close it.
This is the next video, but chase. I'm chasing you for 1 minute.
Ah!
Catch you.
Got you there.
Hey!
I'm going to get you there.
No! Help me! Like and subscribe!
God, get you.
Yeah! You're cheating! You caught cheating!
Stop, tag you. Come back here.
Today the next part is zombie apocalypse and me and Zion are teaming up. Hey, there's a zombie down there.
I have been bitten.
Kunyari, hindi ka daw beaten. We're not friends anymore.
Come back. Come back here.
Today the next episode is Northern. Look at the sky, it's orange. There's a rocket. A medium shower. Hey Zion, check it out.
Northern Lights.
It's a northern light. It's a northern light.